skip to my loo. Skip, skip. Bunny, bunny. All right, Tyson, next I'm going to throw your brother. Okay, you have to catch him. I'm just kidding. Tyson, where are you?
Oh, jeez.
Tyson, let's dance. Let's dance. Oh, all done? All done with the sunglasses? Ooh, don't look yourself in the eye, you okay? Do you need help? I'll put them on. Good. Good job. Over your ears, over your ears, over your ears. Not under them. Lift them up. Lift them up. Lift them up. A little bit more. A little more. Mommy will help. Almost, Tyson. Almost. Here, you want Mommy's help?